Hi, it's me, Angharad from Angharads Live, and I'm really looking forward to today's video as we'll be sharing with you all some delicious stuffing balls that we made with our friends in Barnsley. Thank you so much to Lindsay for letting us record this video to share with you all. Can't wait, can you, Mum?
I'm really looking forward to sharing this video. We had so much fun making this video.
We did.
And I think you really enjoyed eating them afterwards as well.
Of course, they were so delicious.
They really were.
Should we go back in time, Mum?
I think that's a great idea.
Very Merry Christmas we'll have this year. Very Merry Christmas without all tears.
Just about to add the onions. We've added 4 small onions, but we do recommend to half recipe. We're making quite a bit.
Big family event.
Yes, big family event, lots of people. Yeah, lots of people, lots of fun. And we'll get to serve you all too, which is great. Your tablespoons of sage. There we go.
And then a third teaspoon of garlic powder, but it comes so fresh.
You want to do this until the onions translucent over medium heat.
I think they're all done now.
Perfect.
Lovely and translucent. So we're going to let them cool, yeah?
Yeah.
I think they're all done now.
Perfect.
Lovely and translucent.
We're now peeling the skins off the vegan sausages. We're now adding the onions.
They smell amazing, don't they?
They really do.
With a lovely sage.
We now need to add 2 cups of breadcrumbs. Second one going in. Time to mix it now. We need to get them hands on a minute.
I was going to say you love doing it then with your hands.
Now doing some water. Quarter of a cup at a time. Now all ready to be able to shape them into balls. Now that's all out of the way, we're going to start on the festive stuffing, the fruit stuffing. Now time to add the rest of the onions. Here's the first cup of breadcrumbs going in. And the second cup of breadcrumbs. Now the de-skimmed sausages. Thank you, Mum, for doing that.
You're welcome.
A pinch of mixed spice. for all the festive flavours. 1/3 of a cup of dried apricots. And then 1/3 of a cup of dried cranberries. Time to get your hands in now. It's fun. Now rolling the stuffing balls.
That looks a good one.
Great. Now time to cook them at 170 degrees Celsius for 30 to 35 minutes.
Jump on a handle.
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love there's always a way. And oh, this time of year we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. This year I'll think about how I'm so lucky to have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents.
Here's the festive stuffing. Wow, all the fruit is so delicious. I love all the wonderful flavours of the stuffing, the sage and onion too. It's a wonderful combination. That's a crispy too.
They're amazing.
They're really good, aren't
They're absolutely fantastic. Amazing.
they? Yeah, and the sage and onion stuffing balls. Oh.
The lovely smell of the sage and the taste of the sage and the onions and.
You can really taste the sage and onion straight away, can't you? There's lovely crispy breadcrumbs again. Lovely soft too.
Really lovely, soft in the middle.
Oh, they're pretty good. So good, aren't
They really are.
they? We really hope that you all enjoyed this stuffing recipe video. If you did, and if you make them, we'd love to know as well.
We really would.
Or if you have any other ideas of any ingredients you would like to put into the stuffing mix.
Well, lovely to know.
Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. It helps so much. Comments really do help a lot too, and we always love hearing from you. If you are new and enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing under the video or at the end of the video. It is free, and press the notification bell to notify when we post new videos. This time in the comments, we'd love so much to know if you enjoy making your own stuffing. If you do, what do you like to add? If you don't, would you like to try the recipe?
That's a great question.
We really hope to see you all here again very soon. Bye! Take care! Also, the next video will be a vegan centerpiece. And bye from Christmas Sarah too.